Using time tracking on Monday.com helps monitor project progress and manage team workloads efficiently. Here's how to use it. Log into Monday.com. Open your browser, go to Monday.com and log into your account. Select or create a board. Choose the board where you want to track time. If you don't have a board set up, create one by clicking plus new board and selecting a template or starting from scratch. Add a time tracking column. Click on the plus icon at the end of your columns to add a new column. Select time tracking from the list of column types. This will add the time tracking feature to your board. Track time. For each task or item on the board, use the time tracking column to log hours worked. Click on the start button to begin the tracking time and stop when done. You can also manually enter hours if needed. View time entries. View time entries directly in the time tracking column. You can see the total time spent on each task or project. Generate reports. Use the time tracking data to generate reports by clicking on views and selecting options like dashboards or reports to analyze the time spent across tasks and projects.